Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, and as promised from my closet clean out, I told you I would share with you what I was bringing to you that I'm going to be listing on my Posh and eBay. So that's what this video is about. Before I show you, if you have not yet subscribed, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and also if you just like knowing when I do these closet clear outs and posting my things for sale, because if you guys like it, I'll keep bringing it to you, because I do it quite frequently throughout the year because I just have a shopping problem and I like to get new things. And here are just some of the things that I'm going to be listing for you all. So let me kind of break it down for you. This is an adorable swimsuit top. I absolutely love it, but to be quite honest, they didn't have my size anymore in it when I ordered it, so I got it in a medium because I loved it that much, but it's just too big for me. So I wore this like once, that's it. And then I'll stick on some of the athletic things I got over here. This is an adorable little pleated bottom Lululemon skirt. I have some sports bras from sale from Gymshark and Lululemon. I have tank tops and these Define jackets from Lulu, which honestly, this one is so freaking soft and so stretchy. I have some Free People tops over here. If you're a fan of the thermals, this one's really pretty with this detailing here on the wrist. A baby doll top where it has like the baby doll bodice, and then it's a thermal sleeve top, a scoop neck. Real pretty eyelet kind of sweater. It's definitely like, this one has been worn, but it's still really nice. These are from Lululemon, and they have like the mesh inserts on the leg. So I have a pair from Aloe, like the Moto legging. These are in like the lighter gray color. Absolutely beautiful on. I just never wear them, so I'm selling them. I have a few different colors of the Gymshark Flex, the old school version where it has like the logo waistband. I really love like the material of the leggings. I just am not a fan of the waistband. I just feel like it kind of cuts in on me. It's not terrible, but for me, I like a high-waisted legging, and these aren't cutting it. A really cute denim skirt that has like this camo detailing with rhinestones. That's really lovely. And then I have a pair of destroyed jeans as well, and that's more like the boyfriend fit. To finish out what I'm going to show you that I have for sale, I have two more Lily Pulitzer dresses. They are absolutely beautiful. I wore them seriously like twice, possibly. Like I think that one was twice. I think this one was only once. If you're a fan of Lily Pulitzer, these are absolutely gorgeous dresses, and definitely give it a check out in my closet because everything that I'm showing you here is going, plus some. I definitely have more things. These are just like the items that I really thought you might be interested in. So yeah, that's just a quick little snippet. I wanted to show you what I was selling since I promised you that I would. Make sure to look down below. I will have my Posh closet listed, and I'll also have the link to my eBay profile as well. All of this stuff is going to be going up pretty soon, so make sure to stay tuned. Like if you're interested in any of these things, or if you just want to see what else I have up for sale, go give it a look-sees and see if there's anything that you like. I'll have my measurements listed below too. That way you kind of have a comparison of if some of these items are even in your like size range. I usually wear like small to medium, or like 4 to 6. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that is always so greatly appreciated. And I will see you next time. Bye friends.